Hello, welcome to Tu Escuela de Español. Today we are going to learn how to use the verb gustar. The verb gustar has a special structure in Spanish. Normal sentences in Spanish are formed by a subject followed by a verb and after the complements. However, with the verb gustar, the first element of the sentence is an indirect object pronoun, followed by the verb, always in the third person, singular or plural, and what you like at the end. Me gusta hablar español. Let's analyze each part of this sentence. First of all, the pronouns. With the verb gustar, we don't use the subject personal pronouns. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Instead, it's mandatory to use the indirect object pronouns corresponding to each person. Me, te, le, nos, os, les. Before them, you can add the indirect object pronouns with the preposition a. A mí, a ti, a él, ella, usted, a nosotros, nosotras, a vosotros, vosotras, a ellos, ellas, ustedes. Although they are not mandatory. Hi, I'm Elena, the creator of this channel. Do you have problems understanding Spanish grammar? I can help you with my online courses. Click the link in the description and try them for free. After the pronouns, you add the verb gustar, only conjugated in the third person. Gusta or gustan in the present tense. When that is go in singular and when that is go in plural? It is in the singular when there is a noun in singular after the verb, always followed by a definite article. Le gusta la Navidad. It also goes in the singular when there is an infinitive verb behind it. Nos gusta bailar. On the other hand, it is in the plural when there is a noun in plural after the verb. Me gustan las peras. It also goes in the plural when there are several nouns after. Nos gustan la falda y el bolso. However, gustar goes in the singular when there are several infinitive verbs, not in the plural. Te gusta ir en bici y correr. This structure is the same in interrogative and negative sentences. ¿Os gusta viajar en avión? No les gustan las tormentas. In Spanish, we have other verbs with the same structure as gustar, as encantar, molestar, and doler. Remember, you must put the indirect object pronoun first. Me, te, le, nos, os, les. Then the verb in the third person, singular or plural. And finally, an infinitive verb or a noun with a definite article. Me encanta volar. Me molestan los malos. No me duele nada. If you have enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to get notifications of the new videos. See you soon! If you want to learn more about Spain or the Spanish language, you can visit our website www.tuescueladespanol.es.